Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare VOO with SCHD and which one is actually better. So when you're going to look here, expense ratio is better for VOO and also asset under management is higher for VOO. Then you're going to have number of holdings is also higher, but the dividend yield is better for SCHD and volatility is higher for VOO. Okay, now for the sector allocation, what you can actually see here is that here for VOO you have technology 30%, healthcare 13%, financial 12%, consumer cyclical 11%, and 9% communication. And for the SCHD 18%, 16%, 15%, 12.6% and 12% industrial, healthcare, financial, consumer, and technology. Now for the top 10 holdings, what you can actually see here is that the Nvidia here is like 8%. You have Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. For the SCHD here, you have the Chevron, Ultra Group, PepsiCo, ConocoPhillips, AbbVie. And now as you can see here, so you have like 2-year 128k, 2-year 110k, 5-year 168k, 10-year 414k, 10-year here 286k. So that's pretty much it for this quick video comparison for both of these. And thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.